People are not happy with us going backward. We want to go forward. We've got to deal with these issues of economic justice, not just for North Carolina, but for the nation. And when they vote in a way that's only for the few, 30 minutes, they said 500,000 people couldn't have Medicaid and 80,000 people would lose their unemployment. That's wrong. That's backwards. That's old South. That's not this new America we're trying to move into.
Medicaid and Medicare and all these other government-assisted programs, they're necessary. They're very necessary. And if you, like you said, when you have it yourself, you don't see other people how they do without medicine, be sick. And medicine and doctor and diagnostic things are very high. How are you going to pay it?
The environment is a justice issue as well. That when we pollute the environment, it's usually poor people and those with the less power that get hurt by pollution. So fracking is an environmental justice issue, and we're out here today as part of all the justice issues in North Carolina that are not being addressed, and we're going backwards in North Carolina.
I think we're kind of going back to those who are protecting what they have, and those who are outside that perimeter of protection, to heck with them all. And I think that's the wrong direction for the state.
Just with the people that that the General Assembly appointed to the Board of Governors, like seeing people like Art Pope and all of this big money, like kind of controlling the UNC system. I'm really scared.
Same-day registration and early voting are important tools for more people to participate in our democracy, and that's what it's all about, is participation. The more people that are involved, we benefit from a multicultural, multiracial civic society. What's their worry? Who are they afraid of? Why are they afraid of people participating in our democracy?
Whether it's voter ID or Medicaid or poverty, these are issues that really do have an impact on all of us. And the only way that we are going to turn this state around is by sticking together through the difficult times. And that's even more important now that things are tough. So I would tell people that the fight's not over. We're very energized and we're getting organized, and they should stand with us.